Hello guys, hello beautiful people. This is Akshay and I come with my new video, and in this video I am going to tell you about the magic of thinking big. So let's go. So the point is, the success is not determined by your size of your brain, but the success is determined by your thinking power, by your way of thinking, and how much you are thinking big. We need to upgrade our thinking by our life. Remember one thing: if you are losing your belief on yourself, that time from that time you are slowly going down. Then what we have to do? If you are thinking, if you are thinking I am not able to achieve anything, and if you are losing your hope basically, then what you have to do? Take a long breath and say it loudly: I am positive. I can do anything in my life. This type of thought makes you more powerful, and it will help you to achieve your success. So whenever the thoughts come to your mind, कि I am not able to achieve anything, or I am not able to do this thing. So let's revise these statements in your mind. It will a lot help you to achieve anything. That means you have to fill up the positivity into your brain. And this type of statements, or this type of positive energy can fill up the energy within you, and you can achieve anything. Whatever your goals are, you can achieve anything. Just you have to positive, and you have to believe in yourself. Otherwise God also not helping you. When you believe कि I can do this, then automatically the another questions and another thought come to mind, and this thought is, how can I do this, and what the steps for completing this that type of questions come, and automatically our brain working on that questions, and the one step further we are going towards our success. Everything is possible. Everything is possible in your life. Just you have to believe in yourself. Otherwise no one can help you. Just remember one thing: you have to believe in yourself. I am going to tell one example. Actually, my friend Sank also mentioned in their blog this example, and I watched this movie also, The Mountain Man. I mean the Manji. I know everyone know this, but the point is, the Manji, the name of this person is the Dashrath Manji. He and his entire family live in the small village, and there is not the facility for water. If someone wants water, then those family or those persons have to go another some kilometer away from that village, and after the mountain the water facilities available. Then then those persons those persons wants water, then they have to walk, or they have to go there and fill the water and come to home. This type of the this is going that time. One day Dashrath Manji was sit on the mountain or this side. His wife came go there for giving the tiffin or lunch box to his husband to Dashrath Manji, and that time her leg was she fall down top of the mountain to down, and she was dead in that incident. She was pregnant at that time, and her baby, and she also dead. Just think once what the situation of Dashrath Manji at that time, because his wife and his children also dead in that case. He decided this type of incident will never happen in another family. What I feel about that incident, this type of case will not be happen in any with any family. That's why I am going to create the path from this mountain. He decided at that time, and he started the work on that. The villagers person came to him and say, you are doing very mad things or mad works, fully total silly works you are doing, so leave it and do some farm work and earn money. But he decided, I have to break that mountain, and I have to create that create the path between from the mountain towards another village, or go to another destination. Then many people came and disencouraged him. You are not able to do that. And even his father came to him, and they also said, Manji, ki don't do that, do some work, another work. And but the thing is, Manji never stopped his work. He has the dedication to complete the work. That's why the another family will not dead, because he feel that from very close situation. He spent his entire life, means he spent his 22 years to complete the path. What the he create the path in 22 years with only hammer and chisel, whatever. The moral of the story is believing yourself, strong thought process, and the consistency, and the thinking big. If we put another person to Manji's position, then maybe no one can do like that. We ran away from that situation, maybe. But the strong belief ourselves and the dedication to complete the work, this help the Manji. And what I have to say, never never lose your hope. Believe in yourself, be consistent whatever you are doing, and that's it. The another example is the Edison. If Edison in Edison's life, he was I think there are 1000 experiment. After 1000 experiment, Edison able to successfully Edison successfully did his experiment after 1000 tried, and that's why we are in the light, or we are in the because of Edison we are in the light, or and if Edison not tried at that time, maybe we are in the darkness. Because of Edison everything is happened. Edison also had the dedication, the strong belief and strong dedication, consistency. If you are fail, then we have to stand up and again we have to try for another try. But we don't have to stop. In that journey, the Manji and the Edison also, and relate this story with compare the both story with you. If you are doing some work or anything which you like, many persons or the society will disencourage you, means they will pull your leg down. But you don't have to stop. You have to consistent in your work. You have to believe in yourself. Yes, I can do this, and I have to do this. The success will come very soon. So I have to tell this only. Believe yourself. Okay, thank you. If you like this video, do like, comment and share with your friends, and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you. We'll meet soon.